Hi guys, today we are going to look at the mental illness, insomnia, anxiety, fear, mood swings in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows. A list of wood-driven oils, sorry, bull-driven oils. Okay, list of concoctions or decoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise, the most important thing, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay. Alright, coming to the wood pressed oils or bull driven oils, which have to be taken on empty stomach. Okay, first week you have to drink 2 to 3 spoons of sesame seed oil. Second week, niger seed oil, 2 to 3 spoons. Okay, and repeat this cycle after every 2 weeks. Okay, sesame seed oil and niger seed oil. Okay, 30 minutes gap is needed between the bull driven oils and the decoction. Okay, initially you have to take oil and then wait for half an hour and then you can have decoction, right? uh, Empty stomach means you can drink water if you want. If you wake up at 6 a.m., if you drink 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour, that is at 7 a.m. you can have this decoction, sorry, oil. If you take 1.5 liter of water early in the morning at 6 a.m., wait for 1.5 hour, that is at 7:30 a.m. you can have the oil, right? Coming to the decoctions, curry leaves, take 15 to 20 leaves to make decoction. Banana stem, take a small piece of banana stem up to here. Okay, to make the decoction. So roughly this much of banana stem can be used for at least 1 week if it can be kept fresh. Okay, right. Turmeric sticks, take only small piece up to here to make decoction. And then cinnamon, also take only half or one fourth of this to make decoction. Okay. Oh, Ruta gravelans, take 15 to 20 leaves to make decoction. These leaves are very small. Okay, so this is the plan for the decoctions or the concoctions. First week curry leaves, second week organic banana stem. Okay, if you do not get banana stem, you can use raw banana. Okay, unripened raw banana also. Okay, or banana leaf, your wish, but that is must. Banana, anything from the banana plant or banana stem or raw banana. Okay, take a small piece of raw banana. Okay, cut it into small pieces and make decoction. Okay, that is must. Banana is must. Third week, organic turmeric bulb or turmeric powder. Okay, preferably turmeric bulb or turmeric sticks. Fourth week, cinnamon. Okay, fifth week, ruta gravelans. Okay, if you do not find any one of the above, still you can continue with the remaining decoctions, no problem. That means if you do not get ruta gravelans, leave this. After fourth week, go back to first week again. You have to repeat the sequence. Okay, after fifth week, again first week. Okay, so this will be sixth, seventh, eighth, like that. Okay, still the problem is solved. You need to continue this cycle. Okay, again 45 minutes to 1 hour gap is needed between the decoction and the next meal. Okay, right. Coming to the diet with millets, so foxtail millets for 2 days. If you are having 3 meals per day, have those 3 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay, if you are having only 2 meals per day, have those 2 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay, if you want, you can eat curries, no problem. You can eat curries, you can have homemade curd. Okay, no problem, but you shouldn't consume rice or wheat products. You should take only millet products, whole millet products, right? So kodo millet for 2 days, barnyard millet for 1 day, brown top millet for 1 day, little millet for 1 day. So this is the diet plan. Okay, and the best way to consume millets is in the form of porridge, millet porridge for the initial 5 to 6 weeks. Okay, and they eat these millets alternatively for this 7-day schedule and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. And no rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils for both drinking and cooking purposes. How to cook millets? You can cook it like rice or make millet porridge or millet gruel. Or cooking it like rice, you add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets and soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Okay. Making millet porridge. Use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled. Okay, by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it. Okay, if it is summer, you can only keep it for 6 to 7 hours. The most important part is exercise. Walk for 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes minimum a day, and increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay, so how fast you walk that doesn't matter, but how much time you walk that definitely matters. Initially, if you cannot walk for 1.5 hour, walk for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then slowly increase the walking time week after week. Okay, initial week 25 minutes, next week 30 minutes, next week 40 minutes, like that. You can go up to 4 hours or 5 hours, no problem. Okay. Oh, there are some special instructions to be followed. Okay. Meditation is an important activity that must be practiced twice every day, 15 minutes at sunrise and at sunset, preferably below the sun. Okay, in an open area. Okay. During meditation, one needs to observe his or her breath, inhalation, exhalation, inhalation, exhalation. Okay, steadily with his or eyes closed. Okay, otherwise you can do pranayama also. Okay, during the first 7 minutes of the sunrise and the last 7 minutes of the sunset, the kashaya rays, the ochre rays emanate from the sun. They are very really important for your health, not only mental health and but also physical health. It is equally good for your eye problems also. It is very good. It acts like a medicine. Okay, so you need to spend these 7 minutes in a day. That is roughly 15 minutes a day uh, during morning and evening. Okay, you have to spend this time doing meditation or yoga under the sun. Okay, these rays have marvelous impact on the biochemical reactions in our body, in human body. While coming to the sleeping, sleep in a pitch dark room with absolutely no light. No light, no light, no 0 watt bulb also. No, no. If required, use curtains with a blackout layer or thick and dark curtains. Okay. If some light is coming from outside, then this black layer will stop that light coming into your room. Okay. And strictly no electronic gadgets. Okay. Uh, so that will affect your biochemical reactions. That's why you have to keep them away. Okay, computers, tablets, laptops, mobile phones, you shouldn't use in your bedroom. Okay, you shouldn't keep them in your bedroom preferably. And sleeping in a pitch dark room initiates a whole set of biochemical processes that are required to get deep sleep patterns that are essential to generate complete rest. Okay, right. Coming to the foods to avoid, avoid milk and all dairy products. No dairy products. Say no to dairy products. Okay, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can use palm jaggery, dates, 100% pure honey. Even in the decoctions, if you cannot take them as it is, you can add palm jaggery in them. Okay, in the decoctions or concoctions, whatever you may call it as. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder. You should avoid tea, coffee. Also, you should avoid. You should avoid all bakery products. You should avoid polished millets or refined millets. What does that mean? You should consume whole millets, whole grains. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods and all ready-made foods and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Now you are going to look at how to make decoctions. Hi guys, today we are going to look at turmeric decoction. Okay, you can either use this turmeric stick or turmeric bulb or turmeric powder, but it is better to use turmeric stick. Why? Because you know, if you go to market and buy turmeric powder, you don't know if something is mixed in it or not. Okay, so it is always preferable to have this turmeric bulb or turmeric stick. Okay, now we are going to break it. This much is not required to make decoction, so I am going to cut small piece out of it. Okay, I will show that piece also. Yeah, this much is sufficient to make decoction. Okay, uh, now you need to break this into small pieces, or you can grind it as well. Okay, not completely like powder, just grind it once. That means if you are using a mixer, rotate it for 1 or 2 times. That much is sufficient. Okay, I will show you after grinding. Okay, watch it here. This much is sufficient. We just made it into small pieces. As you can see, the pieces. Okay, small pieces like this. Okay, now let's go to the procedure of making a decoction or concoction. Yes, I kept 250 to 280 ml of water inside the vessel. Okay, now I'm going to switch on the stove. Okay, once it gets boiled a little bit, then I will add this grinded turmeric stick in it. Okay, let's switch on the stove. Yes, you can see here the water bubbles begin to show. Okay, in the inside the water. Now you can add the grinded turmeric stick. Okay, now I'm going to add, and I'm going to keep the vessel closed by keeping the lid. Okay, right, you have to do everything in a low flame, not very low flame, but not medium flame, but low flame. Okay, right. Yes, it just got boiled up. Okay, I kept it for around 3 minutes. So you can keep it for 3 to 4 minutes roughly. Okay, after the boiling part, you have to keep this one aside for again 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, uh, by keeping lid closed. Right. Yes, the time is over. Three minutes is over. Now we are going to filter it using a filter. Okay. Let's see it here in the filter. How we need to filter. Just drop that water through the filter. All the large particles will not appear in the um, appear in your final decoction. Okay, which are not necessary anyway. Right. Now you can remove the filter, and this you have to drink sip by sip, slowly. Okay, very slowly. Fine. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.